Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today we're going to learn how to add a subscriber opt-in checkbox to a site form. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to your form and click on it. Then click on Edit Form. By the way, you need to make sure that you've added an email field and require it so that the subscribe button will work. Once that's taken care of, go to the left and look for the subscribe field and then add it to your form. There it is. On the right, you can edit your checkbox message and you can decide whether to enable or disable the following. So checked by default, required field, hide field, and enable double opt-in, which allows site visitors to verify their emails first before they can be added as your subscribers. So feel free to tweak these settings according to your needs and preferences. By the way, an important note from Wix: when editing your form to customize available options, keep in mind that the legal requirements for marketing and promotional communications differ from location to location. Wix recommends that you seek legal assistance to ensure your customizations are compliant with laws and regulations that may be applicable to you. So once your subscribers click on this checkbox over here, they will be added to your contact list as subscribers. And if you enable double opt-in, once they're verified, they will be added to your subscribers. Once you're done, don't forget to click on Save here. You can close this window after that, and also click on Save on the editor to save the changes you've just made. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live site as well. That's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.